everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedra. It's New Music Friday. Now, to kick things off, young breakout dancehall artist Pablo YG has released his first EP, Richer, Richer, Richer. The EP, produced by YGF Records, features 7 songs, 4 of which are new releases, with Valiant and Cranium collaborating on Louis V and Money, respectively. The EPC's title track, Richer, Richer, which propelled him into stardom with significant airplay and on Spotify and Apple Music in 2023, and landed the badge of the collaborations with the shoe brand Clarks and the brand Supreme. Now, Pablo YG is set to embark on an extensive tour of Canada from March through to April. Now, Patra drops new music from upcoming album. The reggae dancehall fusion singer Patra has released a soulful single titled Tender Touch, which showcases her evolution as an artist. The track focuses on women taking control of their situations without aggression, but with simplicity and sensuality. Patra's 12-track album, which also features saxophonist Dean Fraser and singer Kirk Bennett, is set for release this weekend. Now, Massacre speaks on diversity in music. The international dancehall star has emphasized the importance of diversity in his music style, stating that one should not box themselves in to do just one thing. While speaking with international magazine Rolling Stones on Thursday, the Genocide boss said he believes that as someone who loves the art, it's natural to expand one's palette and feature other sounds. Massacre mentioned that he is working off more experiences, wanting to venture into different sounds and trying to be different while keeping his identity. He also referenced Bob Marley and Shabba Ranks as greats who have found a success in the diversity of their style. Massacre, who signed with Def Jam last year, is seen as the next big thing to emerge from the genre, with his 2 albums, 438 and GOK, receiving critical acclaim. Now, Rihanna pulls on dancehall ahead of China launch. Barbadian billionaire Rihanna will officially launch her Fenty Beauty line in China this April. The singer announced the move in a campaign expressing her excitement to share Fenty Beauty with the people of China and celebrating their unique beauty. The Diamond singer released the advert with a dancehall soundtrack as she showcased the different shades of her lipstick and makeup lines with African and Chinese models. The brand, to satisfy China's policy on cruelty-free products, moved in January 2021 to end animal testing on products targeted for that market. The multi-billion-dollar brand, part owned by LVMH, has resources to navigate the Chinese market and has generated excitement among fans on social media platforms like Weibo and WeChat. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedra, and thank you for watching. Be safe.